Hi, I am George and today I do a video request. One subscriber asked me how I do take care for this Maranta plant. I decided to make a video as I promised. And this is a tropical plant and it likes to spring on the leaves every day. And I will do that in this video and it has some leaves yellow because the plant likes the soil to be easily moist, but I have so many plants and I don't have time to care in the same time to all, and sometimes the soil dries. Now it's wet soil and some leaves yellowing, two leaves, and this leaf too, but it's okay. The plant feelings normal in this period of time, and I have these scissors there, and I will cut these leaves, and I do take care. So I cut from there. Careful. One. This I cut. Another one I have to cut. I sterilize this squeezer. Now what I have to do, I like to dig around the plant to all my plants, and I digging so careful there, and the air patrons there in the pot, and the plant will feel good, oxygen will have, and that's good experiment. I do that every week, and so easily, and there. Then I will clean the leaves. Oh my god. I put this paper on the background to be quality video, that's why. Okay, I do that. I see another leaf dries, and where is the scissors? I don't know. Yeah, I find it, and I will cut this. Oh my god, this leaf I cut. And that's why with digging I finished, and now I have to clean the leaf. But I know one life hack. I clean the leaves with this water with lemon juice. I inspired from Yoli, one channel on YouTube. Yoli, she grows orchids. New York Orchid Queen, her channel name, and I like very much her channel. I inspired from her to squeeze the lemon juice, lemon fruit squeeze, and jet with water I have there, and very good experiment. I will do that on my orchids and another plants. All my plants are ready, but I need to put more lemon juice, but I don't have more lemons now, but it's okay. And what I will do now, I have this, and I will clean the leaves. Smells lemon, nice. So let's clean the leaves carefully, and so beautiful it looks when it clean. I clean the dust, and lemon juice helps to the plant against bacteria and fungus. This lemon juice, and I'm happy when I see healthy plant and just beautiful grow. removed some leaves and I finished with cleaning. And from this dirt we can clean careful and it looks very beautiful. And I clean only on top side. I finished cleaning and now it looks so beautiful now and so happy plant I have there, and one leaf will grow soon there. There is dry a little and I will cut this. So careful. Yeah, so good. And that's not all. I will water it today, and not with simple water, but I make the water mixed with banana peel, and I keep this water for 2 days, and banana peel contains many nutrients, and I will water today with that fertilizer like that, and let's just water it. And as I said, not too much water, but soil not to be full of water, because will root the system roots, and that's not good at all. I will water it a little. There I not water it on there, and the plant will feel very beautiful. And yeah, I finished to water it, and now I just spray it on the leaves. As I said, she likes to spray every day. Looks so beautiful now. So that's all today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have an amazing day, and greetings from Moldova. Subscribe to my channel, like and share. I am George, and bye.